The most successful people in the world all have two things in common: more education and motivation. Hi, I'm Wayne Morgan. This is Wayne's Wealth and the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. This is the learn to use it part. What are the three types of education the rich have? Type 1 is technical education. What is that? It's the education required to get a license in real estate, but you need to know more than how to pass a test. A licensing exam tests your memory, but I've been on hundreds of listing presentations, and no one's ever asked me the difference between accretion and erosion. So why do I need to know that? The real world tests your business education. Marketing, sales, and negotiations are just a few of the business skills you'll need. This is the model the richest people in America use. They make their fortunes in business, but they hold them in real estate. To do that, you need a financial education, because if you pay too much and borrow too much because you don't know your numbers, there is nothing anyone can do for you. What does ROI really mean? Return on investment, right? Well, you can't just measure ROI, you got to measure risk too. There are several ways to measure risk and reward, and you can't manage what you don't measure. And if you're going to invest, you need to know why, you need an exit, and you need to be able to explain to someone else. How do you make a small fortune in real estate? Start with a large one. This is what happens to people who don't know how to measure risk. The class is called The Principles of Investing. Financial education that shows you how to avoid risk while getting exponential returns. Want to raise your financial IQ? Learn what the wealthy people in America know? Then use the model. Maybe the first investment you want to make is in your education. If you're ready to change your life, click here. It's an event you'll never forget.
The Principles of Investing, June 10th through 13th, 2019, in Austin. July 18th through 21st, 2019, in Houston. Receive a bonus by registering early. See details here at bit.ly/TrebsPOI.